Did you know your plants can grow faster just by fixing the soil mix? Today I'll show you a simple homemade soil blend that boosts yield beautifully. Hello gardening enthusiasts, welcome back to Discover Agriculture. A healthy garden starts with healthy soil, so let's create a powerful mix your plants will love. For this nutrient-rich mix, you'll need garden soil, compost, coco coir or peat moss, sand or perlite, and organic fertilizers like bone meal or neem cake. These are all easy to find at your local nursery. Spread a tarp or use a bin to keep things neat, and wear gloves. We're about to get messy. Combine 2 parts garden soil, 1 part compost, and 1 part coco coir. Mix until light and crumbly. Now add 1 part sand or perlite for drainage and aeration. Add a handful of bone meal for phosphorus and neem cake for natural pest resistance. Mix well to spread the nutrients evenly. Squeeze a handful. It should hold shape but crumble gently. Adjust moisture with sand or coir and check the pH. Aim for 6 to 7.5. Your soil mix is ready. Store in a cool, dry place and use for beds, containers, or raised planters. And that's your homemade soil mix for maximum yield. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture. Keep growing and keep glowing.